Welcome to CalGet, the super easy way to get your event on everyone's calendar in just a few clicks. With CalGet, you can create simple add to calendar links that work with Google, Apple, Outlook, Yahoo, and Office 365 calendars, and even track RSVPs so you know exactly who's planning to attend. It's perfect for sharing your event in emails, on your website, or social media, making it a breeze for attendees to save the date. But there's more. CalGet also offers subscription calendars and embeddable calendars to keep your audience connected and updated. Let's take a look at how it works. From the event screen, let's create a new event. Here we can enter all the relevant information for our upcoming event, such as the title, location, which can be either in person or online, the start and end date, a description of the event, and also give it a custom link. This event will also belong in our internal events calendar, which we'll revisit shortly. We're going to leave the event as not recurring and not collecting RSVPs just yet, but we'll change this later on. Once we've created our event, we have a number of options for sharing it with the world. We can either share it as a direct link via a HTML code insert or a Notion widget, direct calendar links, or even a QR code. If an attendee clicks the link or scans the QR code, they will land on this page, which includes the details of the event and allows them to add this event to the calendar of their choice, including Google, Apple, Outlook, Yahoo, Office 365, and an ICS file. Here, I'm going to show you how we can embed this HTML code containing the add to calendar links into your own outreach. Let's copy the HTML code and paste it in this editor, showing how it renders in a HTML builder. If you were to use an email outreach platform such as MailChimp, you can also add your own messaging and embed the add to calendar snippet to your email with ease. Now let's take a look at how to collect RSVPs for your event, which can be all collated in CalGet. Under the RSVPs tab, let's hit Enable RSVP. If we now head back to our live link and hit refresh, you can see that an automated form has been created to allow users to click their attendance along with adding their details to register for the event. If the user were to click yes, add their name and email, and click register, they see a message confirming that the RSVP has been received, and then back in the RSVPs tab, we can hit refresh and see that the attendees' details have been added to our list, and the number of people that have clicked yes has increased by 1. Another feature of CalGet is the ability to showcase and allow users to subscribe to entire calendars custom made by users. For example, we can see this calendar here called Our Company that includes 5 different events. By clicking the event link, we can see the live webpage where users can follow this calendar and gain access to a collection of all their calendar's events, which they can then add to their own calendar on the platform of their choice. Then in the subscribers tab, users can see all of their subscribers for their calendar and make edits to the form fields that are part of that subscription page. Calendars can also be embedded on websites using HTML, using the simple process of copying the HTML code and pasting it to render the calendar on the website or landing page of their choice. Whether you're organizing a campaign, hosting a conference, or throwing a community event, CalGet is here to make sure no one misses out. To find out more, head to calget.com.